¡Tómale!
Hey everybody, this is Maddie with Bee Green. So today we got a cool project. We're going to show you some of the clips. I'm going to explain what we're doing and show you everything that we're doing. But we got to get to work and we'll be back here in a little bit. Hey everybody, so as you saw in the video footage that we had there, we did a great job. The guys got everything done. We got the river rock here. We put down new topsoil over here. Got everything cleaned up. We got the new drainage in, and we'll actually walk around and I'll show you. So we put topsoil all in this area. This is about a 15 by 18 foot section. And then we got the new river rock. Well, it isn't new river rock. We've reused the customer's river rock for them. And we had to do a little restacking of the rock. Now the rock isn't stacked the greatest to begin with, but we had to restack it, and we ran the drainage down under here. It goes underground and then in here and then runs out. And I'll take you back here and we can look real quick. There's actually a creek, because it's all clean water coming. It's rainwater coming down, and it comes into the creek behind their house and then goes down and it goes out to the river.